Good morning, students. Now, next we will start base. Base is the substance which is bitter in taste. The chemicals which are bitter in taste, slippery to touch, and turn red litmus blue are called bases. Just opposite to acid, it is bitter, slippery in touch, and turn red litmus paper blue. Examples are baking soda, soap, dishwashing soap, toothpaste, etc. Same as here, again, two types of bases are there, strong base and weak base. These baking soda, soap, dishwashing soap, toothpaste are weak base. And some bases are there which are prepared in the laboratory and they are strong base. Sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH, magnesium hydroxide MgOH whole 2 are bases which are used in laboratory. Note that the chemicals which are bases have hydroxide in common. That means all bases have hydroxide. That means OH. Properties of bases. Bases are bitter in taste. Second, soapy or slippery to touch. Third, the strong base like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide are corrosive in nature. Same as we read in acid, the strong acids are corrosive. Strong bases are also corrosive in nature. That means it is destructive, it can cause harm to us. So, these must be handled carefully. And weak bases like baking soda are harmless. So, we use this weak base for um, different purposes. For example, baking soda is used for baking purposes, for making bread or cake. We use baking soda. Same as toothpaste, it is weak base and we use to clean our teeth. Fourth point, they turn red litmus blue. When we put the base on red litmus paper, then it turns into blue color. Fifth point, some of the bases are soluble in water. So these type of bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. And the bases which are not soluble in water are not alkalis. That means all the alkalis are bases, but all the bases are not alkalis. So these are the 5 points or 5 properties of bases. One activity is given here. Take two beakers A and B, add 100 milliliter water to both the beakers. In beaker A, add a spatula. Spatula means one spoon of sodium hydroxide and stir it with a glass rod. Now add one spatula of copper hydroxide in beaker B. That means in beaker A we have taken sodium hydroxide and in beaker B we have taken copper hydroxide and try to stir it with a glass rod. Stir it means glass rod की help से हम लोग उसको mix करेंगे. Note your observation. Then touch beaker A at the bottom. Is there any temperature change? Yes. In beaker A, we can see there is it get heated because it is strong base, so it release heat when it get mixes with the water. Then uses of base. Different type of bases have different uses. Calcium hydroxide is used in whitewashing. When we do whitewashing at our home, then the substance used there is calcium hydroxide. And for neutralizing soil, acidic soil and treating wastewater from factories. Second is potassium hydroxide, which is used as a disinfectant. Potassium hydroxide is a disinfectant, that means to destroy the infection. To make liquid soap, lotions, and shampoos. It can also be used to make biodized, a type of biodiesel. To make biodiesel, that means a type of diesel which is obtained from organic sources. Third, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide are also known as caustic soda. NaOH. Sodium hydroxide is NaOH, which is also known as caustic soda. It is used in the manufacture of paper, textile, soap, detergent, and borax. Mild bases like magnesium hydroxide, MgOH whole 2. Magnesium hydroxide is also known as milk of magnesia. And aluminum hydroxide can be used as an antacid to neutralize hyperacidity in the stomach. By our stomach, hydrochloric acid is released, and if we don't take our food for a long time, or if we eat oily food, then acidity happens there, and this acidity can be neutralized by taking antacid. Antacid means the magnesium hydroxide. Some examples of antacids are pudinhara or eno or digene, which we take when we suffer from hyperacidity. That means more acidity occurs and we don't feel comfortable, then in that case we use antacid. Next is ammonium hydroxide, which is used to make household cleaners. So these are the uses of base. Different types of bases, it is used in different ways. Thank you.